What does the average gunsmith charge? Well, the average gunsmith charges on a piecework basis. That's actually the best way for you to go, because the faster you get at solving a problem, doing a particular type of custom work or repair or a cleaning, the more you get paid. But as far as what to charge per hour, that kind of depends on your area of the country. Obviously, there's parts of the country that are very expensive to live in and some areas that are a little less expensive. So as a general rule of thumb, I recommend a starting point be about half of what your local automotive shop charges. Because you see, they have a lot of overhead and a lot of expensive equipment. You should have a lot less overhead. And if they're charging, in my area, for example, $150 an hour, well, your starting point could be $75 an hour in that same economy environment, and you'd be very reasonable. And if you do custom work and you get a good reputation, what you charge can go up from there. And a really good, well-organized, trained gunsmith can make as much as 6 figures a year.